This video demonstrates how to restore a database by using database backup. The restoration feature is available free of charge. However, if you restore a database to a new cloud database instance, you are charged for the new instance. Restore a database. Click the ID of the backup schedule that you want to use to go to the details page of the backup schedule. Click Restore Database in the upper right corner. In the Set Time Restored to step of the Create Restore Task wizard, configure the parameters in the Set Time Restored to and Configure Destination Database sections. Then, click Next in the lower right corner. In the Configure Objects to Restore step, set the conflict handling parameter, and specify the database or table to be stored in the Objects to Restore section, and then click Precheck in the lower right corner. If the Precheck Passed message appears in the Precheck dialog box, click Start Task. To view the database restoration progress, click Restore Tasks in the left side navigation pane. Now you have learned how to restore a database by using DBS.